कहीं आपको घर बैठे जॉब करनी है, then this is the perfect job for you. तो अब हम बात करेंगे roles and responsibilities.
So now let's talk about will AI take your job or not?
Then you will get the salary of up to 12 LPA. Hello guys, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग के बारे में. इसमें हम सीखेंगे what will be your career growth, salary growth, also jobs, roles and responsibilities. And lastly, will AI overtake your job or not? Let's talk about what is social media marketing. In social media marketing, it's all about कि हमारी online presence कैसी होती है social media पे. You have to post consistently. अपनी post को brand के value के साथ align करना होता है. And there are multiple social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Quora, Reddit, as well as Facebook. ये इन सारे प्लेटफॉर्म से हमें अपना we have to post our content, we have to post content in such a way कि वो content हमारे ब्रांड के साथ अलाइन भी हो और वो टारगेट ऑडियंस के मीट के साथ मीटअप भी हो सके. वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड आवर सोशल मीडिया कंटेंट इन सच अ वे कि हमारा प्रोडक्ट उसमें विजिबल हो. If you are doing influencer marketing, then you have to maintain your profile in such a way कि when people search your profile, then they will get to know which kind of influencer you are. So अब हम बात करेंगे roles and responsibilities. What will be your roles and responsibilities if you will be in social media marketing? तो पहला, you have to maintain all the content strategy. आपको एक proper content calendar बनाना होगा that will be shared with videographer as well as graphic designer. You have to maintain all the content strategy plan, what will be the posting on which day. कि आज अगर Tuesday तो आज शाम को क्या जाना है, आज morning में क्या जाना है. You have to maintain content for all that days. And this content strategy basically we can plan accordingly by watching all the festivals and everything before 3 months only, so that we can have backup of all the content. Secondly, keep in mind you have to follow brand theme. Keep your content in such a way that it is aligning with your brand values. आपको उस हिसाब से content बनाना है ताकि वो brand value के साथ match हो सके and ताकि आपकी online presence से कोई भी assume कर सके okay this will be the brand. Third, you have to write catchy captions. For catchy captions you have to take ideas, you have to brainstorm ideas. So that first line should be that much catchy, target audience जब भी उसको पढ़े तो target audience उससे attract हो सके. Okay, this is the line. And the second is that line should be aligning with your content. कि content से reference लेके आप वो line लिख रहे हो. So fourth will be responding all the comments as well as queries that audience will ask from you. For example, you have put some any post of your brand, then people will ask what will be the discount on their on this price, and what will be the what is your product or something else. Then you have to reply to those comments as well as queries on the spot, because on the spot replies will get more engagement as compared to late replies. And also you can build the community. You can build your own community to share all the posts. So that if target audience is pitchy somewhere else, then sometimes in social media what happens कि कभी post नीचे चली जाती है. तो अगर वो नीचे चली जाती है, if you will share on your community, तो वो वहाँ पे जाके देख सकते हैं, then they can interact with your post. Also, you have to monitor all the social media platforms. What comes in monitoring? You have to track all the performance metrics. What is the performance metrics? It's reach, followers and likes. तो अगर आपको continuously you have to grow your social media account, आपको to track करना पड़ेगा that whatever the engagement you are getting on your social media platform, कि आपको कितनी engagement कर रही है, what are the followers are coming and what are the reach you are getting right now, so that आप आगे का content उसी according plan कर सकते. Okay, let's talk about expected salary of a social media marketer in India. For fresher, it is 8,000 to 15,000, and for executive who is having experience of 0 year to 1 year, it is 15,000 to 25,000, and for a manager level, it's 30,000 to 50,000. And when you are at the position of social media specialist, after 3 years only, you will get the position of social media specialist. Then you will get the salary of up to 12 LPA. Also, you can work as a freelancer. And you can earn up to your potential, the number of projects you will handle. You can earn money according to that. So let's talk about why you should choose this career as a social media marketer. Firstly, high demand. Every brand wants their online presence, because as you are aware of that nowadays everybody is on social media. तो brand get their target audience from that. हर brand को अपनी एक online presence बनानी है, अपनी community बनानी है, so that they can get more leads from that. Second, remote and freelance options is available. Like if you अगर आपको कहीं आपको घर बैठे जॉब करनी है, then this is the perfect job for you. And if you want to handle many projects at the same time, then also you can go for the social media marketing, as brand want brand hire freelancers for the same. Like you can work for many brands at the same time. Third, you will have a fast career if you are consistent. If you're consistently following the social media marketing path, then you will be having a good career growth in future. Also, you will have a creative freedom to experiment with the content. If you are having a creative mind, then you can go for this domain, as you can turn all your ideas into reality.
So now let's talk about, will AI take your job or not? So here is the thing, with the emergence rise of AI is your friend, not enemy. So AI tools like ChatGPT will help you maintain all the social media calendars as well as content for the same. You can create a very good script from ChatGPT in English, or like whether your target audience is in English or like in Hindi. Also, you can use MetaSuite to schedule all the posts on Instagram as well as Facebook. You can link your Instagram account or Facebook account with MetaSuite, and you can schedule post on both the platforms at the same time. Also, you can create catchy caption, or you can get a catchy hook from AI. You can also get a catchy hook from Blackbox AI, which is very good for content scripting and everything. So now let's go move ahead with our 45 days corporate training program curriculum. So in module 1, we will learn about introduction about social media marketing. What we will learn about understanding different social media platforms, types of social media content, what will go like reels, post and everything. Also, we will learn organic versus paid marketing. In organic, we will learn how can we attract all the target audience without without boosting or without making any campaigns. And in paid marketing, we will learn how to run ads. And in fourth, we will be having a mini project in which you will learn brand analysis. So in week 2, we will learn how to make social media calendar, visual content basics, like how can we align our post with our brand values, प्लेटफॉर्म स्पेसिफिक कंटेंट की कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे कौन सा कंटेंट वर्क करता है. मिनी प्रोजेक्ट यू विल गेट टू create a content plan for a brand, or for 7 days only. In week 3, we will learn page optimization, we have to optimize bio and everything. We have to maintain grid, feed as well as thumbnails, catchy bio, CTA and everything. We will also learn how to do keyword research as well as hashtag research. Engagement tactics, like how can we get more engagement on our page. For that also you will get a mini project to create a campaign for Instagram, or to one page to optimize. And in week 4, you will learn Facebook and Instagram ads, audience targeting and budget planning. How can we align our budget with our campaigns. Ad copywriting and visual guidelines. Also mini project you will get to create an ad campaign. In week 5, you will learn for LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube. In YouTube, you will also get to learn what is the YouTube marketing, how can we do YouTube SEO, how can we do YouTube, keyword research for YouTube. Also how to make a YouTube title, how can we create YouTube description, how much words should be there, and how can we create thumbnail for the same. And also you will get to know what are the short form of the videos and what will the long form of videos, and how much minutes should be there.
In the last, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, put it in the comment box and our team will be guiding you from there. So thank you so much everyone once again for watching my video. Have a nice day.